Hi guys, today I'm going to show you how to do this easy bun hairstyle that's perfect for a wedding. To start, we're going to section off the front of the hair, so take your comb and run it from the top of the head to just above the ear and clip this section out of the way for later, and then just repeat this on the opposite side. Next, we're going to take some texture powder. I'll pop the one I'm using in the description below and just add it to the crown of the head. Now we're just going to take thin slices of hair, hold it straight up and backcomb the bottom 2 inches of root area to give this style a nice lift. Once you've backcombed the crown, gently bring back these sections and smooth over the top layers using the very edge of your comb. Now gather that crown area into your hands and carry on smoothing the hair. Then just secure this off with a clear elastic band. Take the remaining hair and just secure this into a ponytail. Next, we're going to take a small chunk of hair from that ponytail and just make a simple knot as if you were tying a shoelace, and then just pin this to the head using as many bobby pins as needed. And we're going to use this method on all of the ponytails, so take another piece of hair, create another knot and pin it right next to that first one. And all we're going to do is repeat this until we run out of hair, but we want to make sure that we create a nice round bun shape. Once you run out of hair on that ponytail, we're just going to release a side section, and I've left a few pieces of hair out to frame the face. And I'm just going to add a little bit of back combing to the underside of that section so it doesn't lay flat to the head. And we're going to smooth this back, remembering not to pull it too tight, and then just pin it right next to that bun. And with the tail ends, again, we're just going to create another knot, making sure that we tuck the tail ends underneath so they're not poking out, and secure this right next to that bun with a few more bobby pins. And then all we're going to do is simply repeat this on the opposite side. So release that front section and leave a few pieces of hair out. Back comb the underside and swoop it back to meet the bun and pin it to the head. Create one more knot, making sure that the tail ends aren't poking out, and secure this with a few more bobby pins. I've just curled the hair I left out using my straighteners. And here's the finished look. If you liked it, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials.